Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. If you love a book that you can't put down once you start reading it, then you definitely have to get your hands on this. Big Little Lies by Liane Moriarty. This book is so fun. It's funny, but it's a thriller. It will have you on the edge of your seat. You won't really see what's coming. I love the way this book was written. It has three different points of view, and while that sometimes can be confusing, it definitely does not happen in this book. You really get to love these characters and their different points of view. It is so fun. I really, really recommend reading this one. I know a lot of people want to pick up a book before a movie or a show comes out. So if you are interested in starting to watch the show, then definitely give this a read beforehand. It was so good. I really loved it. It was fast paced. I just couldn't put it down. I really loved this book. It was the first book that I've read by her, and it will definitely not be my last. And I can't wait to pick up my next book by Liane Moriarty. So I think you're going to love this book, and that is my point of view.